So what's the difference between a word wall visual and a structured visual? Well, take a look. Here is a structured visual for electrical energy, and in the same lesson, there's a word wall visual for electrical energy. What do you notice? You might notice that the structured visual for electrical energy has more detail in it. You might notice that the word wall visual has larger pictures. The idea is that a structured visual is one that students are going to have several conversations about. It's going to be the crux or the anchor of the lesson, and it's going to be projected on a big screen, or it's going to be shared to students' devices in a one-to-one classroom. A word wall visual is meant to just be a reference, something we print out on a piece of paper that we refer to maybe in this lesson, but also in subsequent lessons, just so students can make a connection back to the experience that they had when they were discussing the structured visual. So let me show you an example. In the lesson for electrical energy, there is a structured visual for electrical energy, as well as the structure of the conversation of that lesson. Students are going to be discussing this structured visual using the observational question, using the relational question, and also using the inferential question. However, the word wall visual is going to be much bigger, much simpler, and it's going to be on a slide all by itself. And that slide is going to be hidden. The idea is we're not going to show the students this visual. We're just going to print it out, put it somewhere in the classroom, maybe on the word wall as the unit is progressing and the word wall is growing. We'll put it there, and then we can refer to it throughout the lesson. You will see this visual in the objectives as a quick and easy reference before students start to really get into the details of the structured visual.